Hey, this is Chad Hackmann with Alair Homes Arlington here, one of our projects in Arlington, Virginia. It was a significant renovation. We kept the front 3 walls. We modified the windows a little bit. We did a little work upstairs with the dormers. Out back is where we did most of the magic. We took off 3 old additions and added a new basement with an addition up top. This is Elsa, who lives here and is our #1 tour guide today. Elsa, where are we going to start first?
The bedroom.
There you go. All right, Elsa, where are we at?
We're at the mudroom. This is where we keep coats, backpacks, shoes, sports equipment. Just when we go in, come in, we just throw everything off.
And what's out here?
This is our living room. It is all new space.
Everything in here is new, things we added, including the stairs and everything you see.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
So backing up from the living room is our kitchen, and it's really great for baking and cooking because it's way bigger.
And what's your favorite thing to bake?
I like cookies or brownies.
Great. And this has a great stove for cooking those cookies or brownies, as well as a built-in oven. And down the way, there's a walk-in pantry to hold all the good stuff, as well as a beverage center, just for the kids or just for the adults?
Just for the adults.
All right. Where are we gonna go to now?
I think upstairs.
All right, let's go. So Elsa, where are we at now?
We're in my bedroom.
You're in your bedroom. Is your bedroom a lot bigger than it was before?
It is, because before, it was about 1/4 of this size.
1/4 of this size.
Yeah.
And how many bathrooms were up here before?
1. All 5 of us shared.
All 5 of us, including mom and dad, share the same bathroom.
Yes.
And now they have their own bathroom. Your brother has his own bathroom, and you and your sister share one bathroom. So there's 3 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms for everybody. A lot more space, a lot more room.
Yeah, we aren't in each other's business.
We aren't in each other's business. Where should we go now? Downstairs?
Yes.
All right, let's hit it. All right, Elsa, now we're down in the basement. What do we like to do down here?
William likes to play video games, but I like to make a mess.
There you go. And everybody has room to watch TV and hang out. Still run upstairs for dinner. I'd like to point out that this basement is just a touch lower than the original basement, as you can see here. It really gives, that extra few inches really gives everybody down here a nice little piece of headroom. We have nice double doors going to the exterior, so you can haul all those big video games and the record collection, everything else upstairs. Right?
Yes.
Should we head back up?
Sure.
Great, let's go.
Now we're gonna end off the tour at one of my favorite parts of the house.
And what part is this, the screen porch?
Yes, I like to chill out here with my cat on nice days because I don't get eaten alive by bugs.
Excellent. And of all the rooms we looked at today, what's your dad's favorite?
He loves the kitchen.
Why?
Because he loves to cook and stuff. It's one of his favorite things to do.
And what's your mom's favorite?
The bathroom, because she doesn't have to share it with anybody.
With anybody else?
Except for my father, but you know.
Great. I think that's good for today. Thank you very much, Elsa. Good job. This is Chad Hackmann with Alair Homes. Take care.